Welcome to Come Learn Forex. In this video, we will be having a look at trading sessions. Please read the following disclaimer carefully by pausing the video before moving on. So let's get on to it. We will look at trading sessions, what they are, why they matter, and choosing the best sessions to trade. Trading sessions are important to be outlined as they let us know when particular markets are operating actively. Trading session activity is directly and strongly correlated with volatility, which is an important factor to consider in trading. Furthermore, they give a significant indication of when a foreign market is expected to be moving as a part of its daily operational function or not. For example, during the London session, GBP-JPY is unlikely to rapidly fluctuate from the JPY side, as institutions in Japan are closed during the night, and therefore the trading volume is much less than if that was not the case. So let's have a look at what the 4 trading sessions are. The first session we will talk about is the Sydney session. It is when the markets involving the AUD and the NZD are active, which is approximately 9 to 10 p.m. GMT, depending on whether it's winter or summer time. In most of the cases, during that time, rather low volatility is observed in the markets in general, especially involving other currencies. The second session we will talk about is the Tokyo session. It is when the markets involving the JPY are active. This happens at 10 to 11 p.m. GMT, depending on whether it's winter or summer. During this session, again, usually low volatility is observed. The session that follows is the London session. This is when the markets involving the GBP, the Euro, and the CHF are most active. This happens at 7 or 8 a.m. GMT, depending on summer or winter times. During this session, on a general basis, you will observe high volatility compared to other sessions in the Forex market. The last session we will talk about is the New York session. This is when the markets involving the USD and Canadian dollar are active. That happens at 12 or 1 p.m. depending on whether there's winter or summer time. During this season, generally speaking, you will observe high volatility compared to the other sessions in the foreign exchange market, as the United States dollar is the most traded and liquid currency in the world. So why do trading sessions matter? They give us a clear idea of when the markets we choose to trade will be active, and this helps us in knowing when to expect volatility levels to rise as well as to die down. All this information is extremely supportive to our decision-making process when it comes to intraday position management. So let's look at choosing the best sessions to trade. Considering all the information that we mentioned in this video, it would be best to choose to trade during the trading sessions which correlate to the markets that you would want to trade. In case you would like to trade GBP USD, for example, be on the lookout when the London session opens, as well as when it's overlapping with New York. However, during the Tokyo or Sydney sessions, this pair is often not expected to move as much, as both the GBP and the USD markets are closed. Therefore, it might be better off to stay away from that pair during that time. Please note that some markets are volatile during the Tokyo or Sydney session. However, always choose the most convenient markets for the time that you're awake. The most convenient sessions for GMT traders would be London and New York, as GMT traders are often offline and sleeping during Tokyo or Sydney sessions. If you have enjoyed this Forex related content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our Come Learn Forex channel. Also comment below on what other topics you would like to see covered next. Until next time.